Let's take a look at Naraku's 52.4mm big bore cylinder kit for the qmb139 engine. This is the largest cylinder kit that you can buy for the 49cc 4-stroke qmb139 Chinese engine. There are a couple of boxes in here, so I'll do my best to get them out without destroying the main box. There we go. Now, we'll see if I can't figure out how to get these open without, making it so we can still repack these later and I can resell this kit. These are the contents of the first box. Base gasket, head gasket, packing material, more packing material, but wait, and this piece is the wrist pin. Everyone throws that away. So now you know where it's hidden. We get so many calls that people have accidentally thrown that away, or the package didn't come with it. It did. It was in the packaging. And finally, the cylinder. And exhaust gasket, it's in the box too. Let's get this plastic off. Here are the rings, to be installed on the piston later. We'll just put those down here. Then inside the piston, if I can't get it out. See? There we go. Are the circlips. You'll need those. And then the piston itself, which is quite nice. Machined well, it's a domed piston with recesses for valves. It's nice. And the cylinder itself, which is machined quite nicely. Is a nice piece. Far superior to what the bike comes with stock from China, or Chinese kits for that matter. Let's measure the piston with our calipers. If you don't have calipers, buy calipers. The piston shows a true 52 millimeters, which is correct because the bore will be 52.4. On to the next box. After we get through some packaging, this is the cylinder head. And let's unwrap that. Well machined and a little bit oily. This uses short 64 millimeter valves. There's no lift at the bottom of the spring, which a 69 millimeter valve head would have. And nice large ports. We'll measure those quickly so you can see. And there you have it, the complete Naraku 52.4mm big bore kit for QMB139 engines, the largest kit you can buy.